Hey everyone, it's Chris with HD Bros. We just have a quick video update for you today about some changes going on with our customer portal and ordering process. Starting April 1st, you may notice there's going to be some changes in regards to just the layout of our portal and the products, as well as some minor adjustments in pricing related to our video and aerial services. Nothing major is changing. Nothing is changing in the way that you place orders and how you use our systems. Again, this is mainly going to be just layout overall, and I'll go over those minor changes with you. So you go into the website and you place an order just the normal way. In the top right corner, there's the booking button. You need to place an order. Same form as before. You're going to fill out the address, and then there's an option for square footage at the bottom here. The major update is that our video services will now be charged by square footage, and there's a few reasons for this, but the main one being that larger homes typically take a little bit longer on site. There are more clips involved, so it also takes our editing team a little bit longer to edit. And we just want to produce the best content for you, put our best foot forward. So these changes are designed to give you, the best deliverables we can. On the booking page, you're going to see there are 3 new packages listed at the top. These are our recommended packages. The major difference is you're no longer going to see that standard pack, which was a very popular item. Still, these packages are based on the most common order items and basically just the way that we see making the ordering process as easy as possible for you to one-click an option and get everything you need. So you've got the Essentials pack, the Signature pack, and the Premier pack here. And the Essential pack being the basic photo and video combo, and the Premier is going to be, that full tier, go all out kit that you need to hit marketing from every angle. The Signature pack and Premier pack also are going to come with free virtual twilights, which we think is a huge value add. Anyone posting your content on Zillow, MLS, Homes.com, these little thumbnail images that are twilight, they do get clicked more. There's tons of data behind that. So we just wanted to include those in these recommended packs for you. Like I said, the standard pack is not going to be listed on here for those of you that were familiar with that, but you can still place a la carte orders and customize your own packages with the other options below. So in the case of the standard, you would just go and select one of our video options and then add your 3D option and photo options on the following page as add-ons. So again, you have the ability to customize any of these packs to your liking, or you can try out one of our, designed custom packs for you to make it just easy, one click. Again, the biggest difference here in this packages are that the listing video, depending on your square footage, you might see this price adjust slightly. And by slightly, I mean $25 to $50 is going to be more common of what you see. It goes up by square footage, but unless you have a really large home, it's going to be a very minor increment in price. So the other big thing is our aerial. The aerial options now are you can get aerial photos by themselves, you can get aerial video by itself, or you can get both options together. This is just to give you more combinations. We know not everybody's using the video, and you still might want some aerial photos, and we know some people want, it all together. So that's one of the other changes there. Everything we're doing here is to, again, continuously improve our product and service for you. We want to be as easy as possible for you, and we want to give you all the options you have. So again, if you do not see a package that you like, feel free to make your selections here, starting with photos, and you can, add on anything that you need in the following section. So beyond, the look and just those minor price adjustments on square footage, uh, our team has done a ton to just improve the overall quality, especially in our video. So we are now using multiple lenses for all of our shoots. You're going to get more variety in your B-roll, better detailed shots, and just overall, our video editing has improved significantly. So we think it's all good, and it's all, meant to help make your listings shine the best that they can. And we hope that you do as well. All of these changes will be live starting April 1st. And please feel free to reach out if you have any other questions about any of this.